So I'm in Tsuyama Castle in Tsuyama City, Okayama, and it's raining. But I'm on the run, morning run, so I can't use umbrellas. And these are wonderful stone walls as usual. So this is Tsuyama Castle, and this was one of the most important castles at the time. And look at these stones, as I have been saying. I'm sorry to say, at this point, the iPhone went malfunctioning because of the rain, presumably. So, a really important part of the teak at Tsuyama Castle was lost. So, I apologize for that. I am in the hotel after the run, and oh my dear Lord, I'm sorry for you. The rain. I'm sorry for the iPhone that I used for this take. I think it's really strange, but so anyway, this is the Tsuyama Castle, and it's beautiful. And if you come in the spring, probably you will be able to see the cherry blossom. So I'm soaking wet, and from Tsuyama City, Okayama, this has been Kim Mogi reporting on this wonderful samurai castle in heavy rain. I am a really stupid person, I know. I hope I won't catch any cold. Okay, yeah, well. So as I was saying, these are the Fuji flowers. I don't know the English name for that. But this entire extension of greens and flowers, they come from this single trunk. Isn't it amazing? This entire trunk coming from this single trunk. I think this is something. Although the rain is heavy, I don't care. As long as I enjoy my run in Tsuyama City, Tsuyama Castle. Oh dear. So I hope you have enjoyed the show.